choose what we came for. We have arrived. We have arrived. We have arrived. We have arrived.
The world's first overmolded motorcycle wiring harness. You might be wondering, why talk about cables? Well, this seems to have been the attitude from all motorcycle manufacturers up until today, which is probably the reason that wiring harnesses haven't been done right. They are the most common cause of failure in motorcycles today, due to both bad quality and design, and they look horrible. We decided to change this and develop a wiring harness to make us feel proud. Something that won't let you down when you drop your bike in a river or just clean it with your power washer. The way to achieve this was to reinvent it and overmold the harness, including its connectors. By simply removing the areas of potential failure, we not only increase durability, we also improve the design. We hope you are as excited as us on this incredible innovation.